इस वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट idioms कवर करेंगे जो कि BPSC के एग्जाम्स में ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। पहला idiom है to eat the humble pie, मीनिंग है to admit your mistake and apologize, often in an embarrassing or humbling way. सेंटेंस है after wrongly accusing her colleague of stealing, Lisa had to eat the humble pie and apologize in front of the whole team. Next है Alpha and Omega, meaning है the beginning and the end, something that is most important. Sentence है the love for her family is the Alpha and Omega of Maria's life. Next है a child's play, meaning है something that is very easy to do. Sentence है for someone as experienced as John, fixing the broken machine was a child's play. Next है to leave one in the lurch, meaning है to abandon someone in a difficult or awkward situation. Sentence है when the project was about to be presented, Mike quit the team and left us in the lurch. Next है over and above, meaning है in addition to something more than expected. Sentence है the company gave him a bonus over and above his regular salary for his exceptional performance. Next है to go to the dogs, meaning है to become ruined or worsen. Sentence है after the new management took over, the company started to go to the dogs. Next है a hard nut to crack, meaning है a difficult problem or a challenging person to deal with. Sentence है convincing my father to let me travel abroad was a hard nut to crack. Last one है the irony of fate, meaning है a situation where fate or destiny brings about an unexpected or opposite outcome, often with a sense of tragic or humorous twist. Sentence है it was the irony of fate that the firefighter's own house burned down while he was out saving others.